Hello everyone, and I am here to paint a little cat. And you can always pause the video, and yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to start with a gray. You can make a sliver or a slanted line like this. And then you need to make a line coming down for the back. And that little sliver up there, yeah, that's for the head. Then you make the body. Let's make it a little rounder and make the body filled in and turn the straight line into a curve. So then it will be a cat body, and fill it in even more all the way this time. And then you can make the head, the oval head, then fill that in and make the ears. And the ears are, I messed up on this part. But I made it like look down for some reason. Maybe there's like a food bowl. Maybe, I don't know. But then, yeah, add the little legs, and then add the tail from like up there, and curve it down and make it thicker if you want. And yeah, so then you might want to add the back leg first before you do anything else. So make it oval like that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can. You guys can see a part of it, but then add a little foot coming off of that. Then make it longer, or as long as you want. Then let's let it dry for a little bit, and then we can add the details. And I'm just gonna touch these up for a little bit. Okay, now it's all dry, and now let's do the details. So I'm going to do teal eyes, and the bottle's stuck. Okay, and as I was saying, I was doing teal eyes, and I will show you how to put it on the brush, because just putting it on the brush is easier than putting it on the painting. So it's like that. And then just put it on like that, and then that for both eyes. And this is getting weird, but now I'm just gonna touch this up a little bit, and you guys can't really see it until now, but back to the details, or the rest of them. I am going to do the pink ears, the nose, and the paws. So let's do a light pink, and let's start with the nose. Just a second, I gotta go get it. And open it. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one's not backed up, but back to the nose. So we're using a light pink. So let's put it on, and we're gonna use the same pink for everything. And here goes the ears. You guys can't really see that right now. Here, let me grab some more paint on the brush. So there, it's also a triangle. Most of them will be triangles. Well, the ones in the face will be. And now we will put some on the feet for like the little toe pad things. And yeah, so just put little dots at the bottom. I sort of messed up. Oh, dang it. I put it on like way too far down, so it's kind of like sticking out. And now I added all of the other details, and apparently I was not filming those because I did not realize I didn't push the thing. And yeah, so bye. See you next time.